A very good day, everyone. Today, our team from Group Intel will be presenting about Chevron Corporation. Chevron Corporation is an American multinational energy corporation. It's engaged in every aspect of the oil, natural gas, and geothermal energy industries, including hydrocarbon exploration and productions, refinery, marketing and transport, chemical manufacturers and sales, and finally, power generations. Today, we will examine Chevron from a variety of points such as its environment, the way managers make decisions, planning strategies, managing human resources, and the way of organizations manage change and innovations.
Now I will present about management environment. Management environment has the effect of influencing a corporate success and failure in its goals, visions and missions. Here is what we found out. The company activities encourage their workers in such a way to foster open-mindedness behavior. This positive behavior has made their workplace more friendly and ease their stresses and anxieties. Apparently, the vast corporate resources of Chevron has helped the company withstand many changes. Besides, email system also provided their managers vital news feed, happenings in the industry, and extend in their events in their regions. This has assisted the company well so far. Next, we have also inquired about the company organized internal culture, and we found out that their safety first is their major culture. Besides, open-ended culture is also practice where active communication of employee to management or bottom to top is encouraged. Lastly, social culture of Malaysia has affected the company's structure very much. As Malaysia is a diverse races country, so does Chevron Malaysia, where they employ diverse people from various cultures.
Alright, now I'll be talking about decision making. Decision making is a process of deciding something important, especially in a group of people or in an organization. Okay, it plays a vital role as it drives a better functioning in any organization. Okay, in Chevron, managers make their decision when there is an issue occur in the company by defining the problem by using the 5W and 1H. After that, they come up with an action plan and give the best solutions. After that, they implement it, and last but not least, they evaluate and also documentation it. Okay. Managers in Chevron also experience a few challenges. One of them is to have an agreement and support from the employees. Second, to make a problem and solution clear to all parties. Okay, managers improve their group decision making by having a progress meeting approach. Okay, this progress meeting, they can narrow down the problems so that they can focus on certain goals. Okay, last but not least, in 21st century, new generation, they want to work at home and have a flexible hours. Okay, not all Chevron branches agree on these systems. Therefore, the employees have to balance their flexible hours, performances, and also goal achievements.
Today, I will be presenting about the planning on strategies and process practiced in Chevron Corporation. I will be explaining about the strengths, weaknesses, and challenges faced by the Chevron managers in planning strategies. First, the strength of Chevron is that they have a very good relationship with their customers. This is important for the company as it is the communication and retention of the customer base. Also, the openness culture of the employee allows them to be more freedom and allowing for free flow of the ideas and solutions. Secondly, the weaknesses of the organization are that they have lack of funding allocation and budget for certain departments, resulting in some projects needing to be shelved or scaled down. To improve on this, they gather information and reports on departments that need more resources and focus on better allocation these resources to them. This makes them to be more efficient and effective resource allocation. Lastly, the challenges a manager faces in implementing any plans are lack of support from grassroots level, lack of understanding stemming from lack of communication. To overcome this, the organization should let the employees to understand the plan, showing on big picture of how this fits in the whole company's operation.
Next, I will be presenting about managing human resource in Chevron Corporations. I will be talking about their training program, how do they motivate and evaluate the performance of employee, action taken when the employee performance drop, downsizing event, and also system to promote ethical performance. Firstly, Chevron developed training program to improve the performance of their employee. In Chevron, training manual and structured training are developed and applied on every new employee to get used with their organizations. The training programs will be customized specifically for different employees that will have different job scopes. Besides that, a mentor or supervisor will also be assigned to guide the employee on their daily tasks. Next, Chevron evaluate the performance of their employees by using performance management plan, which is called PMP, and also KPI management. For higher performing employees, cash incentive and verbal compliment were rewarded in order to retain the employees. For lower performance employee, verbal warning will be first given, followed by email warning and performance markdown. Finally, the employee will be given a dismissal letter if they does not show a sign of improving. During a downsizing event in Chevron, communications will first be given to all employees about the downsizing event. Secondly, employees that is recommended for terminations will be selected and will be informed by the Chevron about their terminations. Technical and moral support will then be provided to prepare them for future companies. After that, reorganizing and restructuring will then be done in the company. Lastly, to promote ethical performance in the workplace, Chevron have set up a hotline system in place to support the employee from problems such as sexual harassment and discrimination.
In a company the size of Chevron, innovation and change is a constant in the company. Resistance to change sometimes does happen in a company even of this size. So a management of change system, or MOC, is usually done to allow for the employees to better understand of the situation of change as well as the bigger picture. Creativity and innovation is highly encouraged in the company. The company uses systems such as surveys, polls, as well as brainstorming sessions for its employees. Furthermore, a new system called Digital Dojo system is set up to allow for the different branches of Chevron worldwide to contribute as well as to iterate on new ideas and solutions that they may come up with. An example of innovation that is done by the company is the switch from a call-based system, customer service system, to a web-based system. This system, according to the manager, is more efficient, it's easier to use as well as easier to modify. Now, the risk involved in this new system is that if the system does fail, it runs the risk of costing the company in terms of efficiency, image, as well as profits. To conclude, based on our results that we've obtained from our interview with the manager, we can see how the 5 different aspects of management all play a part in running a company. Overall, we can see that Chevron Malaysia is a very effective and structured management system that is both efficient, promotes creativity, innovation, as well as supports the welfare of its employees. Thank you.